Guys, Kavita this side. Today I'm going to talk about protein, how it helps in multiple ways. You can pick your reason to add sufficient protein in your daily diet. Okay, so I'll start with the immunity. So protein is vital to build and repair body tissues and fight viral and bacterial infections. Immune system powerhouses such as antibodies and immune system cells rely on protein. Low protein in the diet may lead to symptoms of weakness, fatigue, and poor immunity. Then comes hair, protein and biotin. These are two important nutrients to promote hair growth. Eating adequate protein is important for hair growth because hair follicles are made of mostly protein. A lack of protein in the diet leads to hair loss. Then comes skin. 75% to 80% of your skin is made of collagen, that is commonly known as skin protein. Collagen and elastin are responsible for warding off wrinkles and fine lines. Over time, the environment and aging reduce your body's ability to produce collagen. So, sufficient amount of protein in daily diet really helps. Then comes muscle mass. Protein is the building block of your muscle. Everybody knows it very well. Now, eating good amount of protein helps you maintain your muscle mass and strength. Eating plenty of protein helps reduce the muscle loss, which is associated with aging. So it actually helps you in healthy aging. Bone health. People who eat more protein tend to have better bone health and a much lower risk of osteoporosis and fractures as they get older. Now, I'll say protein is your best friend if you are in your weight loss journey. High protein intake boosts your metabolism and helps you burn more calories throughout the day. A high protein diet reduces hunger and helps you eat fewer calories. It improves the function of weight regulating hormones. So, eating more protein can also help you recover faster if you have been injured. Several studies note that higher protein intake can lower blood pressure and also improvements in other risk factors for heart disease. If you are not eating sufficient amount of protein in your daily diet, you may experience some symptoms in your skin, such as redness in the skin, flaky skin, pigmentation, or your skin may become more sensitive as well. Brittle nails and hair fall also are associated with lack of protein. You will start losing muscle mass, and protein deficiency leads to lower bone mineral density and increase the risk of fractures, especially in old age. It delays or prevents growth in children. Eating less protein weakens your immune system and damage your body's ability to fight infections such as common cold. Low protein intake promotes weight gain and obesity. Now question comes, how much protein should I have on daily basis? So it depends on your daily activity, but normally for a healthy person, it's zero point 0.8 to 1 gram of protein per kg body weight. If your weight is, for an example, if your weight is 60 kg, your minimum requirement of protein is 48 gram to 60 gram per day. And if you are very active, like you do daily workout exercise, or you go to gym, or you go for running and all, in that case your protein intake should be more than this. Thank you so much. Stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you.